up, gang? Another day, another opportunity. As you can see here, you know what I'm saying? So if you look at the chart right here, you can see that we got NAS 100 15-minute time frame. You know what I'm saying? Coming from 16.42 strong buy, as you can see right here. So now what I'm gonna do with this TP1 hit, I wasn't there, but you can see the pullback was done, so it's time to hit the rest. So I'm gonna place my ones, my opportunity right here, because I wanna swing this TP2 right here all the way to 89.39. So you know, signal to my team already, you know what I'm saying? You feel like you wanna be gang, you wanna be in a gang, part of the team, you know what I'm saying? Link always in the description, you can go crazy. So let's beginning, guys. Let's beginning. This is the time, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna punch very low size because this is crazy speed, as you know. That's 100, one of speed ones, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna open this I'm gonna open some few trades. All right, some few trades right here, just to grow this this account so far. You know what I'm saying? Let's go crazy, guys. Yeah, I hope that's it. That's it, gang. That's it. Only 5, because always look at your capital if you wanna grow. You know what I'm saying? So this I'm gonna grow it. So this one I could have take the TP, but still keep moving. You know what I'm saying? It's not done like hitting the TP yet, but I will hit my TP. You know what I'm saying? Because I want it to be here. It's supposed to be here. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. But yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I'll catch you up, guys, once we hit the profit. You know what I'm saying? I'll catch you and I'll show you guys everything. This is how I grow my account. As you know, guys, we took the account from five years there, so now we're going crazy to a big amount. As you know, I'm trying to take this all the way to 1K, guys. You know how we do it. The building, killing every day. You know what I'm saying? You gotta work for it, guys. You gotta work for it. Don't believe in luck, you know. You have to work hard. So I'll get you guys up once we hit some profit or we hit some loss. I'll show you everything, guys. So let's keep waiting. Peace. What's up, gang? I'm back again, guys. I'm back. Let's check how far is our trade. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, guys, this one right here, Euro CHF, we already hit, you know, the TP. As you can see here, look at this point right here. You can see the moving average has already reached the TP, which is already at 16.42, which is time to get out the market. And let me show you something else. And the network is bad. As you can see here, guys, I told you guys that we're gonna swing from here all the way to this point. When you're paying attention to the moving average, you must also pay attention to the price action right here. So you can see the TP1 here is done on the price action, and you can see as well the moving average, it's already reached a level 16.42, which is time to take our money out. And you can see that account, guys, now it's on 185. You know what I'm saying? So if you've been watching, we took this account from $5, you know what I'm saying, all the way to 108. Almost, it's now 190. You know what I'm saying? Accept this one NAS 100 still in a loss, but don't worry about it, because if you look at it, it was just trying to give us some double bottom right here. We got some double bottom, and also it went back to level 16.42. So we still have hope that it's gonna shoot up all the way to this point, remember. So once this one went to the profit, which means we're going to enter, almost our account is gonna enter through 250 US dollars. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, this is how I do my things. I say, in order to protect my account and to compound my account, this is how I grow my account. I say, I'm gonna take the profit that I have right now. So let's take the profit. I'm gonna take my profit and take my profit and I'm saying, I'm gonna take my profit, and then I will leave the NAS 100. It's gonna keep running. It's gonna keep running because I need to make sure I compound my account. This is how I must do it. This is how you must do it, guys. This is how you must do it as well. So let me take my profit, because this one you can see it's already in a profit. This one is in a profit, this one is in a loss, but haven't hit the stop loss yet. So you can never close the trade. You need to wait until it itself hit the stop loss. I say close the profit, I say close my profit, guys. So as I took this account on $5, so I have nothing to lose. Especially now, I have nothing to lose. For sure, everything I have is a profit. So yeah, do the right things. This is how you do it. Make sure you compound your account. Make sure you keep locking your profit. As you can see what I've been doing, I did lock my profit right here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you how I did it. You can see here I did lock my profit here. So let me take my profit, guys. I'm gonna take our profit just to compound the account. Just to compound the account, guys. This is how we must do it. My network it's 2-0, so that's why it's taking time to close the profit, because my network is very slow, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's move. Boom, guys, we out. You can see now it's on 190, from $5 all the way to 190. So this is how you grow. This is how you grow. So guys, trust the process, trust the strategy. It's amazing. And if you don't have it, you want to have this strategy, I already uploaded to the check my previous video, guys. I already shared the strategy settings. Go check it out, go use it. We see how we use it. We sell when it's on 89 level, 0.39. We sell all the way to this point right here, 16.42, and then we buy when it's right here. We get out when it's right here. This is your first take profit. It's like that. So guys, I'm out. I'll let you know, guys, what happened about these ones, but I believe something beautiful is gonna happen. So peace, guys. I'm out. Let's make these peeps. Peace.